Next, now we will study dipole field. Dipole field is the electric field produced by an electric dipole. Dipole field is electric field produced by an electric dipole. It is the space around the dipole in which its electric effect can be experienced by any other charge. We know that an electric dipole consists of a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. The space around this dipole in which the force of attraction or repulsion due to this dipole can be experienced by any other charge, that space is dipole field of this dipole. To calculate dipole field intensity, to calculate dipole field intensity at any point, we use Coulomb's law and superposition principle. To calculate dipole field intensity at any point, we calculate electric field intensity at that point due to two charges and then apply superposition principle. Now suppose we have to calculate dipole field intensity at point P. Now we calculate electric intensity at P due to charge minus Q, and we calculate electric intensity at P due to charge plus Q, and then we use the superposition principle. That will give us resultant dipole field intensity, or this will give us resultant electric field intensity due to an electric dipole. Now total charge on the dipole is 0, but electric field due to dipole is not 0 because the two charges are separated by a small distance. They are separated by a small distance. Now the electric fields due to two charges at a point, they do not cancel each other. Therefore electric field intensity due to a dipole is not 0 at a given point. But when distance of the point where we have to calculate electric field intensity, this is very greater than distance between two charges of the dipole, then electric field intensity due to two charges largely cancel each other. Therefore at large distances from the dipole, electric field intensity falls more rapidly than electric field intensity due to single charge. Electric field intensity due to dipole at large distances, where distance of the point from the dipole is very greater than distance between the two charges of the dipole, then electric field intensity varies inversely to cube of distance of point from the dipole, whereas electric field intensity due to a single charge at a point varies inversely to square of distance of the point from the charge. Now our next topic is electric field intensity at a point on axial line of electric dipole. Let us consider that we have an electric dipole having charge minus Q at point A and charge plus Q at point B, which are separated, and these charges are separated by a small distance 2A. Let O is the center of the dipole. Center of the dipole is the middle point of line joining the two charges. Suppose we have to calculate electric field intensity at a point P on the axial line of the dipole, such that distance of point P from the center of the dipole is R. If E1 is electric field intensity at P due to charge minus Q at A, then magnitude of electric field intensity E1, this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square. Now AP is, this is A, total is 2A. So this is A and this is r. Therefore this become q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a का is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a whole square, because ap is a plus r or r plus a. Now we know that electric field intensity, this is force experienced by unit positive charge placed at that point. Therefore direction of, because positive charge is attracted by charge minus q, therefore electric field intensity will be towards pa. It acts, electric field intensity E1, it acts along PA. If E2 is electric field intensity, if E2 is electric field intensity at P due to charge plus Q at B, then E2 magnitude of electric field intensity E2, this will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon BP square. Now BP is OP minus, BP is OP minus OB, this will be R minus A. Therefore this is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus A का whole square. Now positive charge repels positive charge, therefore this will be act along BP produced. E2 acts along BP produced. E1 is along PB and E2 is along BP produced. Therefore E1 and E2, therefore E1 and E2 are two collinear vectors acting in opposite direction. Therefore net resultant electric field intensity at P will be, therefore net electric field intensity at P will be equal to difference of E1 and E2. As E2 is greater than E1, E2 बड़ा है E1 से, therefore net electric field intensity at P will be E equal to E2 vector minus E1 vector का modulus. Now put the value of E2 and E1. E2 is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R minus A का whole square and E1 is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R plus A का whole square. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught कॉमन आ जाएगा, ये बच जाएगा 1 माइनस R upon A का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 upon R plus A का होल स्क्वायर. इन दोनों का एलसीएम लेंगे, इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो ये आएगा R स्क्वायर माइनस A स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. R माइनस A के होल स्क्वायर से जब R स्क्वायर माइनस A स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर को डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये बच जाएगा R प्लस A का होल स्क्वायर, उसको 1 से गुणा करेंगे तो वही आ जाएगा, माइनस है तो माइनस. अब इससे इस सारे को भाग करेंगे तो क्या बच जाएगा R माइनस A का होल स्क्वायर, उससे 1 को गुणा करेंगे तो R माइनस A का होल स्क्वायर. ऑन सॉल्विंग दिस, इसको सोल्व करने पर ये बच जाएगा R स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर प्लस 2AR, और ये बच जाएगा R स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर माइनस 2AR, R स्क्वायर माइनस A स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. इसमें से इसको घटाने पर ये बच जाएगा 4AR डिवाइडेड बाई R स्क्वायर माइनस A स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. अब इसको लिख सकते हैं Q इंटू 2A इंटू 2R डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट R स्क्वायर माइनस A स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. As Q into 2A, this is dipole moment, therefore E is equal to P into 2R upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square का whole square. If the dipole is short, dipole is short, this means distance between the two charges, distance between two charges of the dipole, this is very small in comparison to distance of the point at which electric field intensity is to be calculated. If dipole is short, then 2a is very less than r. Therefore a square will be very less than r square. Therefore a square r square से बहुत छोटा होगा, तो r square में से a square को घटाएंगे तो r square ही बच जाएगा. Therefore E electric field intensity a square will be very less than r square. Therefore r square minus a square is equal to r square. This will become P into 2r divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, और r square minus a square क्या हो जाएगा, r square का होल स्क्वायर. r से एक पावर की कट जाएगी तो ये बच जाएगा 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. This is electric field intensity at a point on the axial line of the dipole when the dipole is short. Dipole short है. अगर dipole short नहीं है तब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ये है.